How to check booking.com reservation status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you booked a hotel on booking.com and want to check if the reservation has been confirmed, pending, or cancelled? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. So, open up your Google Chrome or any other browser and then tap on your profile icon in the top right. And there you can see booking and trips. Tap on it. So, here you can see can't find the booking. You need to tap on it. And here you'll need to put in the confirmation number and PIN code that you got while booking the hotel. And you need to tap on manage booking and they will show you the status whether it is confirmed, pending or cancelled. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.